Welcome to This Dude Bakes, everybody. So what I'm doing here in this video is making the Scottish shortbread recipe that I did in a video years ago. I'm making this again as a test for something I may want to try in the future, a couple months down the road possibly. So I've got here in the mixer is the cake flour, powdered sugar, and salt. Just on the stir setting. Now I'm slicing up the butter to get ready to put that in. You see my Lions cutting board that I got as a gift. Go Detroit Lions. And I'm putting the butter in the mixer. And I'm gonna pulse it a little bit before I actually get the mixer going all the way. Just a few pulses. And keep in mind this video is sped up, so don't think that I've got the mixer on a high speed. This is like just between stir and first and second speed. And as you can see, the dough is coming together there pretty nicely. Almost ready to go. So we're ready to go, and I'm getting the dough out of the mixer. I'm gonna make a few kinds out of this, a few flavors out of this one batch. So I'm gonna leave a little bit in the mixer, pour some chocolate chips in, and mix that up. Got that ready to go, so I'll get the rest of that out of the mixer here. And time to start cleaning up. Hopefully everybody out there has been doing well. I really hope you're doing well. Okay, so I've got everything cleaned up as far as the mixer goes. Now the rest of this dough I'm separating into 3 pieces. Like I said, I wanted to do a few different flavors. Some chocolate chip, some plain, and some with lemon, with actual lemon zest in it. And then some with some blackberry jam. You'll see later in the video. And after finally getting this rolled out the way I wanted to, I remember it's going to be good for me to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit to let it chill before I cut the rest of it. So now I've got the chocolate chip dough that I'm rolling out. You're gonna cut that with a square cookie cutter. Get that all cut out.
I know what you're saying about Facebook Marketplace. One of the reasons I'm just thinking of the pawn shop is because same what you said about Instagram. Too many weirdos trying to play games and contact you and don't really want to actually buy what you put up, what you post. They're just trying to scam you somehow.
So what you just heard was sped up part of the clip where I was talking to my wife about pawning stuff off as opposed to selling it on Facebook Marketplace. I just went ahead and left that in there. But what you see me doing here now is mixing blackberry jam into the shortbread dough. And I'm rolling it out, getting ready to cut this up. So yeah, like I said, I'm just testing this out. And now I'm chilling the blackberry shortbread dough while I'm getting my lemon zest ready. Getting ready to put the lemon zest into the dough. And I got my other Lions cutting board. Go Detroit Lions. Had to get something under the clipboard to the cutting board to steady it a bit more before I roll it out. So now I'm chilling the dough with the lemon zest and cutting out the blackberry shortbread dough. And there you see most of them cut out, getting ready to go in the oven before too long. Cut out the lemon pieces. Let's get this camera turned around a little bit. Now it's time to put them in the oven. Dropping them in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And they took about 12 to 14 minutes to bake off. All right, here's the first part of the test coming out. Remember, this is only a test for something I may want to do in the future. And here's the part of the test. So what I'm doing here is making a little bit of icing. I took some powdered sugar with milk to my desired consistency and some blackberry jam to mix that in. And I also made some just with the powdered sugar and milk, no other flavor, to dip some of the lemon ones in. And like I said, this is all me testing something out for a variation of something I may want to do in the future, actually at my job possibly. Now you see this is me putting some blackberry jam to go inside some of the shortbread. There's a lot of people who may make videos and may never show you anything that they're testing on until they get it, completely perfected as far as how they want it to look on screen. But I'm actually showing you a little bit of my testing. And as you can see, I'm dipping some of the shortbread into the blackberry jam, kind of to make a sandwich out of it. I like the look of the icing with the blackberry jam inside it. And that's pretty much it as far as this test goes. Like I said, just something that I was checking out, and this is how they looked. Thank you everybody for watching, and hope to see you soon with another video. Take care.